I don't know how it goes, it just does what it does through the dirt. Makes you hurt and then that shit starts to squirt. I say that's absurd, but no, I just straight up fucking heard the sounds of it going like a fucking merry-go-round. Circus style, meanwhile, it's like the X-File coming again from a different angle. It's safe, no pretend, bro. We're gonna hit it for sure. The back though, not the front, fuck it, the side fucking window. Hit that shit with some window in the grease, it's like a machine. Do that shit cause you know we gon' rip it clean. We do the surgical, the motherfucking miracle. Asphalt, I don't know, motherfucker, I'm a straight up fucking I'm an asshole. Oh my god, it's out of control. I don't know what the fuck direction to go. That shit's flipping and turning and burning. I'm yearning straight full of faith. I gotta fucking do that shit. Participate that motherfucking irrigate the storm. It doesn't matter cause you know I like it fucking warm when it's cold in the snow. Motherfuckers like to know which way, fuck it, just go.
Nice. That was nice. That was nice for your mother.
My mother felt that.
But my mother no longer another.
My mother should no longer be with the fucking other bee.
How can this be? How can this be?
It's a tragedy.
How can this be?
This is that song.
I'm making it.
I'm just jealous because that bitch does it right.
I'm tired. I was about to get the whole thing on tape.
That fool right there owes me
Yo, it's been 40 minutes, bruh.
my entire existence. Man, you put that up against all time of existence.
You go way back, according to since the beginning of man.
Before prophecies became prophecies.
Before the scriptures became scripted.
Before the
Before the commandments were chiseled. Before the tablets were handed to Moses.
Before the first
Before the pharaohs typed the hieroglyphicals.
They had glass back then?
Yeah, they had hieroglyphs.
Hieroglyphs. Well, no shit, that's the name of that shit. That was a company back when.
Yeah.
It was one cave.
No, they tried to go public pedal out. I had to revoke their shit.
Goddamn.
They weren't up to par.
They are not up to par to stand around.
It's a goddamn Ponzi scheme. Fucking Ponzi scheme.
Crap.
He fucking went from fucking Timbuktu. Fucking Bumbucky.
God.
So you know how it goes.
Oh yeah. So, you know, it just happens fucking as these fuckers. They didn't build some real good shots.
Like, you know, the wild, bro. Keep it rusty.
Ole, compa, se va.
Keep it traditional like a campo.
That's fucking sick. I wish I had some shit like that. Bam.
Fuck the lights, fuck the cameras, I want the action. I want the fucking
Chop his head off. Motherfucker trying to lead the way like straw. Fucking mad at fucking chatter, fucking brain splatter. The motherfuckers want some, watch the bullets scatter. Straight going at your face, your family, too. Old news, motherfucker, I be killing whole teams. For the basement, the purple shit. The motherfucker should have been in the mix. Tricks up on his, you should have been at home. Motherfucker, this ain't the movie, you ain't the phone. You got company, motherfucking one thing. Really mad at everybody, better rock. Here I come, major force. Motherfucker, use a fucking sword. Chop your fucking whole extension cord to the Lord. Motherfucker. I do that shit cause I'm bored. I know what.
Back to the mothership, bro. You phone home.
Yo, phone home that shit. I'm like a fucking laser. It becomes habit. The motherfucker be jumping all around me like fucking rabbits. Like fucking going same old time, same old song. Fucking take a hit of the bone.